Did you know missing out on celebrating the smallest wins in affiliate marketing is like leaving money on the table? Stick around to unlock the secret to skyrocketing your earnings by taking a moment to cheer for every milestone, no matter how tiny. Celebrating the tiniest milestones in affiliate marketing isn't just about giving yourself a pat on the back. It's about igniting a cycle of success that propels you forward. When you acknowledge every small win, you tap into the power of positive reinforcement, a core principle in psychology. This not just fuels your motivation, but also bathes your brain in dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter. Confidence is not built overnight or through massive leaps. Instead, it grows every time you recognize your progress, no matter how small. This is crucial in a field as dynamic as affiliate marketing, where wins can sometimes feel scattered. By celebrating each milestone, you're essentially telling yourself, I can do this, which in turn builds a strong foundation of confidence. Acknowledging progress doesn't just build confidence, it's also a buffer against burnout. In the fast-paced grind, it's easy to feel like you're running on a never-ending treadmill. However, taking a moment to look back at how far you've come offers a refreshing perspective, breaking the monotony and providing a much-needed mental break. This helps maintain your mental health and keeps burnout at bay, ensuring you stay in the game longer and stronger. Have you experienced the power of celebrating the small wins in your affiliate marketing journey? How did it affect your motivation and overall mental state? Share your experiences in the comments below. Imagine hitting your first $100 day in affiliate marketing. That's right, triple digits in revenue, all in 24 hours. This isn't just a number. It's a milestone marking your entry into the world of successful affiliate marketers. Now think about the moment you achieve your first weekly target, perhaps $500 in a week. It's not just about the money, it's about the consistency, the growth, and the proof that your strategies are working. It's not just the numbers that count as wins. Consider your first successful affiliate link placement in a high-traffic blog post, or the moment you receive your first positive feedback from a customer who purchased a product through your link. These are indicators of your growing influence and effectiveness in the affiliate marketing arena. Picture this. One day, you check your email to find a message from a brand you admire inviting you to join their exclusive affiliate program. It's a sign of recognition, a nod to your hard work and growing presence in the market. Or reflect on the time you managed to solve a technical issue on your affiliate website, all by yourself for the first time. This win may seem small in the grand scheme of things, but it's a big leap in your problem-solving skills and technical knowledge. Every small victory, every target reached, and every positive feedback loop propels you closer to your ultimate goal in affiliate marketing. They are proof of your evolving expertise, resilience, and creativity in navigating the complex landscape of affiliate marketing. Now, I'm curious which small win in your affiliate marketing journey felt like a giant leap for you. Share your story in the comments below. Imagine the buzz of excitement when, scrolling through your social media feed, you stumble upon a post from a well-loved brand. Now, add the thrill of realization that your blog or social media profile is mentioned right there, tagged in their post for all their followers to see. This isn't just any shout-out. It's a digital high five from a brand that resonates with millions, acknowledging your influence and hard work. Picture the influx of visitors to your site, the spike in engagement, and how this notable mention elevates your credibility in your niche. Another example to consider is the moment your content is featured in a prestigious newsletter or an online publication. This could range from a simple inclusion in a top 10 list to a full-blown feature about your affiliate marketing strategies. Such recognition not only puts you in front of a new, broader audience, but also stamps your work with a seal of industry approval. It's a testament to the quality of your content and the trust you've been able to build with your audience. Now, imagine completing a collaborative project with a brand, one where you helped create content for their products or services. The project releases and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. This collaboration showcases your ability to work with big names in the industry and deliver results, further positioning you as a key influencer within your niche. Each of these scenarios embodies a small win that collectively shapes the trajectory of your affiliate marketing career. Now, think about the emotions tied to these moments, the sense of achievement, and how they pave the way for bigger opportunities. Have you experienced a moment like this in your affiliate marketing journey? Or perhaps there's a brand or publication you dream of being recognized by? Share with us in the comments below what that dream collaboration looks like for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Small wins in affiliate marketing are like finding hidden treasures. Take the leap of introducing a new marketing tactic, such as storytelling on social media, to share relatable anecdotes connecting the product to real-life stories. This minor adjustment can significantly boost engagement. Your comment sections become lively discussion hubs, and direct messages overflow with inquiries from interested customers. You've not only sparked a conversation, but also built a community around your brand. This isn't mere speculation, it's a proven strategy for engaging your audience. The results? An uptick in traffic and a substantial increase in conversions akin to a digital marketing home run. By experimenting with new approaches, you validate your efforts and encourage further innovation. Consider email marketing as another frontier. Testing its effectiveness through personalized email campaigns can transform your engagement rates. By making each email feel tailored to the individual, you witness a surge in open rates and click-throughs to your affiliate products. This success underscores the importance of a personal touch. Have you experimented with a new marketing strategy that led to an unexpected but significant win? Share your experience in the comments. Reaching a milestone is more than a pause for self-congratulation. It's a chance to celebrate in ways that propel you forward. Each achievement in your affiliate marketing journey paves the way for the next. Imagine using your success to invest in tools and training that enhance your capabilities, like subscribing to a premium SEO tool to significantly improve your keyword discovery, setting you apart from competitors. The journey doesn't end there. Consider enrolling in an online course on persuasive copywriting. Suddenly, your promotional content isn't just good. It's compelling, converting casual browsers into devoted customers. Celebrations become a means to transform victories into foundations for further success. Expand your horizons by attending an affiliate marketing conference as part of your celebration. It's both a reward and a strategic investment, immersing you in a milieu filled with the latest trends and invaluable networking opportunities. This approach to celebrating isn't just for fun. It's a deliberate step towards staying at the forefront of your industry. These celebrations are thoughtful, significant, and underline your dedication to not only meet but exceed your goals. By choosing such dynamic ways to honor your milestones, you're not just rewarding yourself, you're elevating your affiliate marketing career. Now, what innovative method would you choose to celebrate your next major achievement? Let's share and inspire one another with our creativity and drive. Imagine reaching that pivotal milestone in your affiliate marketing career. You've put in the endless hours, navigated through the ups and downs, and finally, you've hit that goal you've been aiming for. Now it's time to celebrate, but not in the way you might think. Instead of the usual dinner out or party, what if you could celebrate in a way that propels your career even further? First off, think community. Hosting a small gathering or a webinar with fellow affiliate marketers isn't just a celebration. It's a melting pot of ideas, experiences, and strategies. Picture this: you're sharing your success story, but at the same time, you're learning from others, picking up on what worked for them and what didn't. This kind of knowledge sharing is gold in the affiliate marketing world. But why stop there? Use this opportunity to give back. Maybe offer free mentorship sessions to newbies in the field as part of your celebration. This not only establishes you as an authority in your niche, but also builds a sense of community and support that's invaluable. Plus, the connections you make can lead to collaborations and partnerships that could take your business to heights you hadn't imagined. Now imagine setting up a challenge for your community, something that encourages innovation and creativity in affiliate marketing strategies. Not only does this keep the celebration going, but it also fosters a competitive yet collaborative environment where everyone is pushing each other to be better. It's a win-win. Lastly, don't forget to document your celebration and what you've learned from it. Share it on your platform, be it a blog, vlog, or social media. This not only adds to your content, but also inspires others to think out of the box when it comes to celebrating their milestones. Now, I'm curious, how would you celebrate your next big achievement in a way that enriches both you and your affiliate marketing community?